how to turn off or on show my recently played artists on my profile on Spotify. PC, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First open your Spotify and now click on your profile here in top corner and then click settings. Now just scroll down, scroll until you find this one, show my recently played artists. On my public profile you will find it on social settings, and that's it. You can turn it off or on just by one click. It's easy. And now just go back, it will be saved, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.